Hey guys, so I'm sorry I have a ton of random stuff. I'm trying to find my screenshots folder. It's right here. So I have so much screenshots. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing Blizzard's lines for Howling Stones Productions. I am so excited about this sequel, okay? So excited, like, seriously. Really excited. Okay, but yeah, so these are Blizzard's lines for Howling Stones Productions. Hold on while I get into character. Sorry. Hello, Mother. Hello, Mother. Oh, you should know why I'm here. Oh, you should know why I'm here. Oh, we're well acquainted. Oh, we're well acquainted. You should know very well who I am. You should know very well who I am. You don't remember me? Your own son? You don't remember me? Your own son? Oh, so now you remember me. Well, goodbye, Mother. Oh, so now you remember me. Well, goodbye, Mother. No, I can't kill them. Not like Oak. No, I can't kill them. Not like Oak. Okay, so those were Blizzard's lines, and she says that he's not that psycho, but he seems to be a little bit psycho at least. But it's okay, because I like that about this character. I really like voicing for this character. And yeah, so yeah, that's our Blizzard's lines.